Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and yes, I am back with another video. Now for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some ideas for Valentine's Day gifts. But before we get into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video you will be notified. Okay, please, if you are watching and you are enjoying the videos, it is free. Support your girl and hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm waiting. All right. Okay, so most of these items I found on Amazon, and I'll be linking them down below in the description box. However, guys, before you purchase, please do your own research and read the reviews before you go ahead and make a purchase. Okay, because these are just my opinions of what would be nice gifts. Okay, all right, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first item is the custom Spotify glass art, and this is where you would upload your favorite picture of you or your favorite picture of you and your partner, along with some music that you guys love together, or maybe if you want to do a song that your partner loves or a song that holds special memories for both of you. So once you upload that, they would engrave the picture that you uploaded into the glass, as you can see, and also they would generate a code for the song, right? And the code would be printed on the glass as well, right? So whenever you scan that code, then the song would play. And I just thought that that was real cute, very personalized, very different than what you would see every day. I don't know if I'm late to the game, but it's the first I'm seeing one of this, but honestly, I'm thinking that this would be a good idea. Hopefully it works the way they say it works. But as I said, read the reviews and do your own research before you purchase. All right. Okay, so the second thing I want to share with you guys is the What I Love About You Love book. And this is basically a book where you would fill in the blanks in regards to your partner. So you would write sweet phrases and you would write what you love about the person. I just thought that this was very cute, something where you can write phrases that you guys probably share between you guys, secret jokes or inside jokes, something where you can, you know, put a personal spin on it, use your own words to describe your partner. Very sweet, very endearing. I just thought it was a real cute idea. Now this would not stand on its own because yeah, it wouldn't stand on its own. But maybe if you are putting together like a basket for your partner, you know, you could put the book inside of it, complete the book and put it inside of it, you know. Very sweet, something to, you know, touch the heart. Now this I believe was around for $14, so it's not expensive at all, very affordable, and it's a very sweet gesture. So the third item, guys, is the 2D laser engrave custom photo. All right, so with this now, they would engrave the photo in glass, and you can have it in different shapes. The one I'm going to show you now is the heart shaped, but they have an option where you can add the LED to the heart shape. Then they have the rectangular option, and they also have a vertical option. So it's dependent on what you like, and these ranges from $30 to $45. So yeah, you guys could look at it, see what you like, and select which one is best for you. All right, so very cute. And I really like the heart shaped with the LED. It's just a different touch, very sentimental and very personalized. All right, so moving on. Okay, so the fourth item I want to share with you guys is the personalized engraved leather wallet. Now I just thought this was so cute and so endearing, like so sweet. You know, most men uses their wallet every day. So, you know, every time he takes it out, he's going to be reminded of what you think of him or how much you love him. And I just thought it was so cute. It's so simple, but so sweet. Now you can write a love letter to your special person, or if you want to put initial, you can put inside jokes, phrases that you guys share with each other. Whatever, it's personalized to your partner. So cute, so special, yet so simple. And the fact that it's a leather wallet, that means he's gonna have it for quite some time. Okay guys, so the fifth item goes with the wallet, and it is a stainless steel wallet card. So again, you can write a nice love note to your partner. I'm guessing that you could get one of these for a purse, so I'm guessing that it could go to a female as well. But the good thing, it's stainless steel, so it's gonna be good quality, and you can write a love note. I don't know if you can do a picture on it. You'd have to check the details below the item. Yeah, but very sweet. It's simple, but I'm guessing it would mean a lot to the person that would receive it as a gift. All right, and for this, I believe it's around $15 for the wallet card, and again, it is stainless steel. Next item I want to share with you guys is nothing new. It has been around for a while, but I really love it, so that's why I included it, and that is the custom Valentine's Name Mug. Yeah, I think that this would be a great gift to someone that loves to drink tea or coffee. I mean, this person will be using it every day, so it's not something that they're just gonna get and put down. They're actually gonna use it. Plus, every day they take it up to use it, they're gonna see what you think of them, how much you love them, how you feel about them. And again, you can personalize it. You may be able to add a picture to it, add sweet phrases. You could pen a love letter to your person. Again, the mug would not stand alone. For example, if you are putting together a basket, or just give it as an additional gift. So the next item is a couple's key chain, and this is so cute. Oh my god, this would not stand on its own, not in my opinion, but it is such a sweet gesture. It is just so cute. So it's like a keychain where together it's one, but you can split it apart, and one person takes each. So you have different styles, like you have like 3 options. One is like he's crazy, her weirdo. When you put it together, it's like a puzzle. It's a puzzle piece, and then you have one that says with a key and a heart and something, but you guys will see it on the screen. But it is so cute and so sweet, and I really love it. Such a sweet, you know, sweet gesture. Very nice gift. Not on its own, mind you, but you can add it to something else, and it's something that the person will actually be using every day. So yeah. Okay, so the next idea I have to share with you guys is a personalized picture frame. Now you can get this in different sizes. They have the 4x6, the 5x7, and they have the 8x10. Now these ranges in prices from $28.95 to $54.95. I'm guessing it's based on the size that you get, and you can choose if you want it to be horizontal or vertical. Personalized gifts just seem more special to me and more heartwarming than something that you can walk into a store and pick up that isn't really for the person, if you understand what I mean. Yes, so you can add the names however you want, horizontal or vertical, and I'm guessing that you can add designs, or maybe the designs are standard and you can just add the name. However, it would make a nice gift. All right, so I love it. It looks so good, and you guys know I couldn't have this without sharing at least one piece of jewelry, right? No, so I'm sharing with you guys a stainless steel necklace, and it's a vertical bar necklace. Now, if you're not going to give someone sterling silver and you cannot afford gold, I would suggest you go with stainless steel, right? Because it ain't fun to have anything that's gonna turn your neck green. It's not cute. It is not cute that you have to give someone something and tell them not to wear it in the shower. No. Oh my god. That's so awful, but it's true, right? So the necklace is stainless steel, and as I said, it's a vertical bar necklace, so you can add the names of your children or the name of your child. You can add the date that you guys met, or the date that you guys first kissed, or the date that you guys got married. You can add names that you call each other. The options are endless. Okay, so the next item I want to share with you guys is also a piece of jewelry, and it's the personalized dog tags. Now with this option, you can add pictures, you can add names, dates, whatever you want to do to it. I'm guessing that you can also add a little bit of bling to it as well. And it also comes in different colors. They have it in the gold, they have it in the silver, they have it in I think it's a black color. It's a lot of different options that they offer, so you guys can take a look at it and see if you like any of the options. And if you have a guy that's into dog tags, this would be a good gift. All right. Okay, so the next idea I have to share with you guys is one that I really love. Yes, I am a true romantic at heart. Yeah, and I found this to be so sweet. Oh my god. It is a love note jar. So basically you'd get a glass jar. You could use a mason jar or any jar that you have, something of good quality, of course, and you could decorate it, whatever you want to write on it, whether you want to write love notes or a note a day or something for your heart. Just write something sweet on it. You could decorate it with ribbons and bows, or however you want to do it, depending if you're doing it for a female or for a male. Now you would write your little love notes. You'd write your little love notes on paper. You could have them printed out in different color paper, or if you want to write them by hand, anyway you want to do it, then you would roll them and then you would put them in the jar. Now you can use strings to tie each note so it stays together, or if you want to just roll it and leave it in the jar just like that. You could gift it in a basket, or you could gift it on its own. Surprise your partner with it, like every day he's going to work, he takes a little note, or you could just tell him whenever you're feeling down, or tell her whenever you're feeling down, just take a note or whatever. You know, you decide what you want to write on it. The final idea I have to share with you guys is a photo book, and this is one idea that I really love. It's basically printed pictures of you and your special person and putting it together in the form of a book. Very simple, right? So you can get this done, I believe, at Walmart and at Walgreens, and there are a lot of other places, but you just have to Google it, okay? But it's so sweet, and you're actually taking pictures that you have stored on your devices, like your phone and your tablet and your computer, that you never get to see, and you're actually printing them out and putting them in the form of a book. Very nice. It's a very good gift. This is very sweet. And also a good idea of a photo book is one of yourself. So if you know that your partner is into those things, you could go out, take a bunch of sexy pictures, you know, in your lingerie or whatever, however you want to do it, put it together, and you could surprise your partner with that. That's also an idea of a photo book. Okay guys, so those are all the items I have to share with you guys today. Remember that I will be linking all the items in the description box below, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. If you are liking the content, please go ahead and click the like button, leave a comment so I know what you are thinking, and also you are free to share the video. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day, for those of you guys who celebrate it. I know that not everyone does, but nevertheless, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So until next time, bye.